Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I made a story about an alien bird visited Earth and met our feathered friends. First he went to North America to meet the bald eagle. Then he went to South America to meet the Andean condor. After he went to Africa to meet the African grey parrot. It was really hot. Then he went somewhere cold to meet the emperor penguin in Antarctica. After, he went to Australia to meet the Australian kookaburra. Then he went to Asia to meet a peacock. After, he went to Europe to meet a Eurasian sparrowhawk. Subscribe!